my channel. I'm Bhavya. So this video is going to be like a little reset video, monthly reset video. So today it's 29th of October and we start November soon. October has been very bittersweet. Like, it was so fun at the start. We had just started our Diwali break and it was like a lot of fun, but then after a point of time, not feeling really good and hyped up about this month. Like, every month I'm fully very energetic, new things are going to start, but past few days have been very boring and low-key. So for that we're gonna do a little self-care slash monthly reset routine. I dressed up after days. Like, I did like my skincare routine after days and I feel so good. I don't know why, but I feel good. So currently we are going to make some hot chocolate for myself. Sitting down near like my balcony and our hot chocolate is ready. I'll show you the setup in a few minutes. I just need to like pour the hot chocolate into the mug, and so I bought this mug from like a vendor down the street, and this is like a really balloon shaped cute butter yellow mug. And now I'll pour my hot chocolate into this. I think when I first bought this, I wanted to make hot chocolate in this. That's why it just instantly clicked to me that this and hot chocolate would be so cute. So that's what we're doing. So here are my snacks, my hot chocolate and some buttered bread, like a toast. And I am so ready to just start binge watching some vlogs on YouTube. Currently I have been like binge watching at max some like videos of YouTubers, lifestyle girlies, but I'm not complaining. So this is my POV. I just like love it. So it's time to declutter my room. It is not very messy, to be honest, but thoda sa idhar udhar. I need to just clean it up. So here's a fast forward of me doing exactly that. Here's a fit check. I'm wearing this loose crop t-shirt. It says squeeze with long sleeves, just like this. And I'm just wearing like my jeans, normal jeans, flared from the bottom. I think that's what it is called. And I cleaned my room and now I am going to play badminton with a friend of mine. So I changed into this t-shirt. It's just a black basic long t-shirt and it has like a little doodles behind. So this is my committee merch, the Hobby Center Junior Committee's merch, which I'm wearing because I don't know, I just felt like wearing it, so I wore. So let's go. We'll just apply lip gloss and then we'll leave. This is the final outfit, just a basic long t-shirt, and I'm wearing my shoes. Hi guys, so this is the next day. I just got finished getting ready, had an amazing shower, so get back into our routine for monthly reset. Hey guys, I just discovered this new angle and I think this is looking very pretty. Like, it gives pretty vibes, if that makes sense. Yeah. So now we are going to do like some goal settings. So I have my 2025 vision board here and my journal for 2025, which is not even half completed, okay? And I have a big obsession with journals and notebooks. I just need to buy them every year. Pretty diaries, like I have a thing for pretty diaries. So Now we are just going to like go through our vision board, check or what of things that we have completed. So we will do goal setting for November. Here is my vision board and here is my journal. It is just so pretty, like, okay. I have completed like making my goals and stuff, and now it's the fun part. We are going to make a Pinterest board wherein we'll add pictures from like my goals and then what I look up to in November. Weather feels really good outside, so we are going to get myself some flowers. I've actually never done that before, and because I feel fresh flowers just go to waste and I'm not really a fan of flowers, but currently I have been obsessed with lilies for some reason. I don't know. I keep disappointed. Like I was so excited for the first time I was going to buy myself flowers, and that too lilies. Like I have seen them. They look so pretty, and I was like, yay! I'm gonna get myself lilies. Let's go! What a great start and stuff like that. But unfortunately, none of my local vendors, like literally none of my local vendors, had lilies with them. Actually, looking forward to buying lilies today, but it's time to pick out the book of the month. So I've been trying to read more books, but currently how many books did I read in 2025? I read zero books in 2025. I really wanted to read books. I've loved reading books, but I think I am in some kind of a reading rut since like my 10th grade, ninth grade, like half ninth I was reading good amount of pages. I read every day, but then now it's just, I don't know. I'm physically not able to read for some reason. I tried reading the beach read for like 3 times. I started it 3 times, but then I'm just not able to continue it for some reason. So let's pick a book. I actually wanted to personally go out and pick a. Here's the stack of books that I have with me. It is heavy, and literally out of that, these are the only books that I haven't read. And that book, the whole pile you saw, I bought it in like when I was in 8th grade. So yeah, that's why I have itna kam fiction books left, fiction and non-fiction. Like the last 3 are non-fiction. So I don't know. So I have come down to 2 books from which I need to choose. One is the most famous book, 100 Essays That Will Change the Way You Think. And then we have The Second Empress. This book I got, and this book someone just gave it to me like to read because they had finished reading it, and I was like, okay, I can try. So which book should I read? I'll just read their previews behind and then I'll let you know the book of the month. So the book of the month is The Second Empress. I think if I start reading non-fiction directly, I will still be in the rut and I won't be able to continue reading. So this is what I'm going to read, but I do not plan on completing it. Like I can read it for the first half. Even if it's not complete, I'm definitely fine with it. I'm gonna buy some new books. So yeah, we are drinking Diet Coke and then we'll just chill, watch TV, basically relax and rest our brain for a new month. I low-key look so exhausted right now. That is because I am very exhausted. Today I made brownies and that is going to be another video, so stay tuned for that. So now we'll just rewind to a little mini self-care night sort of thing, and I want to be really fresh for my midterms that start the next week. So I'll be studying few days prior. So basically कल से I will start studying. So yes. So there is no self-care night without a face mask, but we'll have to skip it this time because I'm really planning on sleeping early and I just want to watch for like 5-10 minutes and I really don't have the energy to come. Vibe of the room, it has been set. So I turned on my LEDs. I have blue LEDs and then a little bulb there to like make thoda sa pink color, if that makes sense. The equipments of the night, I have my journal, then I have my headphones, my laptop.